Hello, this screencast is going to quickly review what to do with the tutorial log that has been shared with you. So that log is where you will record your evidence that you have interacted with your distance-only students. Now, you are not expected to track all of their names in this document. You are expected to keep any of those digital interactions. Don't delete the emails or the chats or the personalized screencasts or the Zoom logs. That is all. Those materials should be in your archive in case they are needed, but you're not expected to put those together or submit them at this point. So this log, all you do is go for each week and say how many of those distance-only students did you live Zoom with? Maybe it's 5 this week. Maybe last week it was 20. That's ones who show up for like an office hour all together at once, or the individuals, as well as personalized screencast, individualized message exchanges through email, through Schoology, through chat, phone calls, and I have some blanks here for you as well. So if there are things beyond these four items that you have provided some individualized support for students, then certainly add those in and record the numbers. You will be using this URL, this document as a whole, and this URL as evidence for the timesheet request form so you can get paid. So, look for that screencast on how to submit that, but this part must be done and it will be verified by your office staff before your timesheet is processed. Thanks a lot.